Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick review of the Mylo from Aegon app. Mylo from Aegon has established itself as the friendly face of workplace pensions, moving Aegon away from dense spreadsheets into a modern, mascot-driven mobile experience. So, its primary pro is the raindrop-powered trace and combined service, which has been a massive hit. It allows users to find lost pension, posts, or pots simply by entering previous employer names rather than complex policy numbers. The 2026 version has added a highly praised visual performance upgrade, giving users a clear interactive look at how their investment are performing against their retirement goals. So the inclusion of money coaches via a WhatsApp style chat also provides a human touch that many robo-advisors lack. On the con side, the app is still somewhat of a walled garden. As of early 2026, many users are still frustrated that they can only see their Aegon workplace pension and ISA, while other legacy Aegon products often still require the old retire ready portal. So if your employer uses Aegon, Mylo is a fantastic low-stress tool for consolidating your wealth, but it isn't yet a total wealth manager for all your financial accounts.